Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today I'm having a small problem with my pen for my Microsoft Surface. So if you see, the problem is it's just not working, right? When I try to write on the screen, nothing happens. Let me show you that it does work if I use the mouse to kind of draw. You get marks, and I'll show you again, no lines, and the eraser also doesn't seem to work. So the solution is, I believe that the battery has just died on this pen. So yes, I wasn't really aware of it, but this has a battery. In fact, I've had this for many, several years, probably almost 4 years, and never had to replace the battery. It's actually pretty simple to do so. If you look at this, I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but this rear portion, you can see a line right here. So it actually just comes apart if you just kind of pull. There you go, right? The thing comes apart. And what happens is there's actually a battery inside the main body. So this is not the battery right here on the eraser. It's inside the main body. So just tip it out and look at that. There we are. It's a single battery. And in fact, remember that the plus side is pointing out towards the eraser. In fact, there's a little marking here on the stick showing that, yes, the positive side of the quad A battery faces backwards. So this one, again, let me just call this out to your attention. It's a quad A battery, right? That's interesting. So very non-standard. You might want to order these ahead of time before you make this update. But that's what I did. So here's the bad one. I just ordered myself a brand new one. So let's place the new one into the pen. And again, I'm going to put the plus side facing the battery, or excuse me, facing the eraser. Stick it in the body, and then all we have to do is the pen. Let's align the flat side, so the pen is round all the way around, except for one side which is flat. And again, that's going to line up with the flat part. So there we go. There's the battery replaced. Let's go ahead and give this a try now. Aha! And look at that. There it is. Problem solved. Let's check the eraser. Yep, the eraser's working. So, super easy fix. So all you got to do with this periodically is, apparently, if your pen dies, maybe think about replacing that quad A battery inside. So let's keep this video short and sweet. Hope it was helpful. I'll talk to you later. Bye.